Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing today? Today I have really cool activity, and this one is per how to performing a live migration on server 2016. This activity, the required tools. I should have three servers, as you can see: server DC1, server DM1, and also server Hyper-V. Um, Main things we have to understand in this assignment. So we have to install Hyper-V role on server DM1, this one here, and also join server Hyper-V to domain, then configure live migration on both servers and migrate the VM from server Hyper-V to server DM1. So, the beginning, I need to start server DM1. So now I need to click Start button, go to PowerShell, click on PowerShell, then install Windows features, Windows features, Hyper-V. I have to make sure including all management tools, and then restart after that. So now collecting data, then start an installation. As soon as we do that things, I need to go to server Hyper-V, login as an admin, click Start button, Windows PowerShell. Now I need to add computer, to domain name. Domain name should be in CSA 2016.local. After that, I need to do restart. So now, if you can see, the CMDL asking you to put the PowerShell credential request, then I would say now it's restarting. So now if you can see, server Hyper-V restarts and is now a member of the domain. So on server Hyper-V, sign in as a domain, to the domain as administrator. And the way that I can do that things, I need to click on other users, then MCSA, So now I need to go to Server Manager, click Tools, then Hyper-V Manager. Now if you can see, I have Server Hyper-V. You can see now I have two nodes, server VM1 and also server VM2. So now I can go to Action and click on Hyper-V Settings, Live Migration. Now I need to check the box, enable incoming and outgoing live migrations, and also in incoming live migration I need to choose use any available network or live migration. Now okay, so now I need to sign out. I can close this window, right click on start button, then sign out. So this is necessary for the type of live migration authentication you are using the Create SSP. So now I need to go back to server DM1, and open Hyper-V Manager. So click on Tools, go Hyper-V Manager, then click on Server DM1. Now I can go to Hyper-V Settings. Now I can see, if you can see, there is no node here under virtual machines. And same thing, I will do the same thing, live migration. Click on this one, check the box, enable, then use any available network for this migration live, then OK. So now I need to create a virtual switch, and the way I can do that, now I can go to Virtual Switch Manager, then I use private, and then create virtual switch. So now in name I need to type private net, then okay, so private net is the name of the virtual switch on server Hyper-V. So now I need to sign into Hyper-V. Click on Tools, Hyper-V Manager, then I need to click on Server DM1, right click, I need to start this virtual machine. Now I can see the state is running and now the server VM1, it is, you can see right here. So now right click, then move. Now before you begin, next, then next. Now I need to put name there, which is server VM1. Then next, I have to make sure to move the virtual machines data to this single location. Then next, to the folder I have to use C, then VMS. That's the folder name. Look next. Now the summary, you can see the summary right here. So after I finish, I click on finish, I'm sure 100% after that I create the virtual switch, I didn't connect to the servers. So now it's going to ask me that things when performing the move. I know the folder CVMS will be created during the migration process. After I click finished. So now the move takes some time. Just because it has to move the virtual machine files and virtual hard disk to other location, to other server. See, now the connection, if you can see, not connected. So what I'm going to do in this case, I just click and then choose a private, then next, then click on this one, the arrow, then choose a private. So now everything should be good to go. Now this is the summary, what it's telling you, then click finish. So if the VM was stored on shared storage such as scale out file server or CSV, the move would occur much faster. Now we can see moving slow. So I'm going to pause my video till the performing will finish. Okay, we back again. So after the when the move is finished, so now I can see, now so the now I have just one node on virtual machine. Now I need to go back to server VM1. Now I can see to verify that I get the server VM1 moved to the another node. So now the VM is there and running. So now shut down the server Hyper-V because I don't need it anymore. And now my activity has done, and thank you for watching.